Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have Word open and your document ready. Select the exact text you want to shrink, or press Ctrl+A to select everything. Once done, look to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon and find the Font Size field. This is the control you will use. You can click the drop-down to pick a smaller numeric value or type a precise size like 8 or 9 and press Enter. This initiates the reduction immediately. Now that the font size field is visible, you have two precise options. You can type a numeric value and press Enter to set an exact size, which is useful for tight layouts, or use the Decrease Font Size button in the Home tab to step down through available sizes. For incremental control, press Ctrl+ to reduce the font by 1 point per press. This is fast for fine-tuning. Make sure to preview the layout after each change so spacing and line breaks remain acceptable. Finish by scanning the document for line breaks, wrapping issues, or shifted margins. Reducing font can alter pagination, so adjust spacing or paragraph settings as needed. If a selection doesn't respond, make sure the text isn't in a protected region or governed by a style that overrides manual size. Use clear formatting or modify the style directly. If changes still fail, save, close Word, and reopen the file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.